This section explains how to use templates in report editing. The software includes default template pages containing device information table, parameter table, file information table, and object temperature table, infrared image, and visible light image. On the right, you'll find the corresponding properties for the image. Tables remain blank until thermal images are loaded. Link to the thermal image. Before establishing associations, we must first import the material. Click the folder icon. Select the desired folder to import. Drag an infrared image onto the template. All tables auto-populate with corresponding data. The visible light image automatically matches the infrared image. How do I modify a specific value? Double-click a cell to enter edit mode. Press backspace or delete to clear existing values. Manually input new data. How do I restore previous values? Select the target cell. Click Insert IR Image. Click Thermal Imager Information. Choose Temperature Range. Original data instantly restores. If there's too much data, how do I delete specific tables? For example, how to delete the file information table. Select the file information table. Press backspace or delete to remove it. After deletion, adjacent tables can be moved to close the gap. Select the table you wish to relocate. Hover over its border until the cursor becomes a cross arrow. Click, hold, and drag to reposition. Alignment guides appear during dragging to assist positioning. Release the mouse to finalize placement. How do I add other data types to the table? Select any cell. In the right panel's Add, Remove Rows and Columns section, click the second icon. To insert a row below the selected cell, we enter file name. Then select the blank cell on the right. Click File, choose File Name. To insert file name automatically, let's demonstrate adding file size using the same method. Next, we'll show how to insert above. Select cell and click first icon. Using the same method, enter the values you wish to add. Next, we'll demonstrate how to delete a single row of data. Select the data cell you want to delete. The fifth icon under Row and Column Operations is Delete Column. The sixth icon is Delete Row. Click Delete Row to remove the entire data row. During table adjustments, drag table corners to freely scale dimensions. How do I add text notes if needed? Click Text Box in the top menu. Click on the report. A text box appears. Input content directly. Adjust font size in the top menu. Click the right side button to change text color. Apply bold and italic. Finally, let's add the logo. Click Logo, select Position, and click Confirm. Finally, there is also the addition of headers and footers. We can find header and footer in the right-hand menu. It is disabled by default. Check All. Above the report, you'll see. Click to enter header. Click and type your text. Below the report, click to enter footer appears. Similarly, click and edit. Additionally, configure page numbering settings. Check Begin Page. Add prefixes. Numbers auto-generate on every page. Once the report is complete, the next step is to save the file. Click Save As. Select Save as Word. Choose Save Path. Enter file name. Click Save. The report exports as a Word document. Next, we'll demonstrate how to use the Power Report template. Click Add. Select Generate Report using template. Choose the fourth template, Power Report template. Click Confirm. Drag an infrared image onto the report. Tables auto-populate with data and visible light image auto links. Double-click the IR image. Opens Image Analysis interface. Click AI Analysis. Check Analysis Objects. Select Detection Targets. The system auto-generates defect type, defect characteristics, and diagnostic recommendations. Click Confirm. Return to the report. Diagnosis and Recommendations sections autofill with analysis results. Add notes. Manually input remarks in the Comments section. In the right panel's Header and Footer section, you can similarly configure these elements. Enter your header and footer text as needed. Check Start Page Number. Similarly, drag and drop an infrared image into the report. Click Logo and place on report. Click Save As. Choose Save Path. Enter a file name. Click Save. The saved Word document can be found in the specified directory. All content preserves formatting in Word tables.